想まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプアランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうオリジナル VIP
Many many diamonds dangling Bag full of money we strangling Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me All the above cause you can't get in I don't want no problem Because me professional Make you shake your cats Thank you Haters take it personal
Like a Canada tight heads out now talk oh let's go knock knock my money let's oh hot such kitchen my own let's go to heal level up on level color let's go
Please fasten passenger seat belt.
What up, you guys? Check this fucking shit out. We went to go visit my buddy Alan because his car broke down and he needed some help. So the homies came out and my boy came out. Go check him out on Instagram.
What are you doing, fucker? What the fuck, bro? What were you doing?
Warming up, man. Warming up.
Fucking crazy bitch. What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
You've been jumping around like a fucking kangaroo, bitch. And you're brown. Oh, shit.
Fucking hell.
I mean, we got some good footage, some other people and shit. We got popped a couple times. Dude, the first time everybody got so fucking scared because of the fucking tow truck.
Yeah, so whew, let me catch my breath. Alright. So when we were there, we showed up, pulled to the side, watched my few homies drift, and then I was like, oh shit, my other friends who don't usually drift, they're over there. I'm like, I'm gonna go park up with them because I haven't seen them in a minute. And that's when we fucked up. Because usually when I go to Wacker, I'm usually one of the first ones there, so it's easy for me to like manure.
Yeah, manure?
It's 3 in the morning, George. Anyways. And we were sitting in this one spot for a good like half hour maybe.
Oh, dude, I just realized I cracked my license. Oh, no.
No, we're good.
Yeah, no, it's a crack, bro.
Nah.
Oh, no, it's just a light peeking through the bottom. Never mind. Oh, shit. Okay.
So we're just sitting there, kind of getting annoyed.
We were literally sitting there for like a good
half hour?
Half hour?
I don't know. But it felt a very long time. And I was pissed because, like, my homies were ripping it. And I wanted to get, like, obviously the content for you guys because with...
the whole point of this shit.
Yeah. Because, like, with this camera, it picks up pretty good and shit, but... So I didn't plan too well, so while we're sitting in the car, out of nowhere, these two, like, tow trucks that, like, chill at Wacker flew by while a guy was drifting. And that's when everyone got scared.
Everyone just fucking bolted. Everybody got in their cars. It was nuts. Over 2 fucking tow trucks, and then they went back maybe about... what, like a half hour later?
Well, yeah, so everyone, like, starts leaving. But if you went to Wacker and you've been there for a few times, Tow trucks don't do shit.
They're not gonna do shit. They're gonna be like, okay, we're gonna tow your shit if you don't fucking move.